Today we are making homemade hummus and then using it to create two delicious healthy wraps. So stay tuned until the end of the video to find out. For the hummus, you will need 1.5 cups of boiled chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, juice of 2 lemon, salt to taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So first up, add all the ingredients except for chickpeas into the blender. Once it's blended, add the boiled chickpeas and ice cubes and blend it again. The ice cubes give hummus the ultra smooth cafe-style texture that we are looking for. And that's it. Your hummus is ready. Now, pour in a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. And sprinkle in paprika, generous amount of paprika to add that heat and extra flavor to the hummus. So first up, for the wraps, let's start by chopping up our vegetables that we like to add onto our wraps. So here I have added 3 to 4 vegetables, onions. We have the green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, and lettuce. So for the first hummus tortilla wrap, spread a generous layer of hummus on the whole wheat or multigrain tortilla. Start by adding lettuce so that it does not allow our wrap to get soggy. Then top it up with the veggies that we have sliced up. Veggies add that extra zing and the crunch onto our wraps. I've added grilled tofu as well for the extra protein. Add a parchment paper or butter paper underneath and roll it up tight. And here you go. Your quick, healthy tortilla wrap is ready. Perfect for those busy mornings, lunch, or a quick dinner that you would want with extra protein in it. Moving on to the healthy green Moong Dal Chilla wrap, which is completely gluten-free, diabetic-friendly. Spread the batter of the Moong Dal Chilla on the greased pan and cook until light golden on both the sides. I will be soon uploading the video for the Moong Dal Chilla onto my channel, so stay tuned for that. Once the chilla is done, we repeat the same process. Place the chilla on the plate, spread a thick layer of hummus. Top it up with veggies just like before, lettuce, bell peppers, onions, and tofu. Do hit the like button if you are keen on having more of such diabetic friendly or gluten free recipes on my channel. This wrap is protein packed, fiber rich, and super filling. Look at that. Soft chilla, creamy hummus, punchy veggies, a complete meal in every bite. So here you go. Two delicious wraps using one simple homemade hummus, the classic tortilla wrap, and the protein rich Moong Dal